Yes, we gonna eat food.
full body. Solo. Did you try some milk in it? Huh? Oh.
Is it good? Is it good?
No. Swallow. Swallow.
Eat it. Yes. Don't feed your pet. Is it good? It's very good. It's very tasty. She doesn't know how to swallow or take it from her lips. Okay, now let's take the scene where we are exactly sitting. This is Sarah. This is sitting Sarah's mummy. Feeding Sarah. And we are here. Is it good? Yes, it is good. It's very nice. It's very tasty.
This food buggy. I'll have to take it to car wash.
Yes. You're gonna take it to car wash as well.
No. Okay, don't annoy her because she doesn't want to eat on the camera.
But she doesn't know I'm making her video.
She doesn't like seeing camera when she gets excited. Go away, shoot.
We make it from a distance. Is it better?
Brownie?
Oh, there.
Yeah, and lemon.
Thank you.
Are you still here? You're not finished yet. Yeah, take some ice cream. Just finish quickly.
Is it good? Food is good? It's so good. It's so good. It's so tasty. I will give you my lemon tart as well. You wanna eat tart?
No, she doesn't.
Lemon tart?
No.
Huh? Little bit.
Okay. Move yourself.